Robert Kiyosaki's at it again, predicting the end of the world as we know it. Hey, this is Drew Page. Welcome to the Drew Page channel. In this video, we're going to talk about Robert Kiyosaki once again making a imminent prediction of a coming market crash where everything in the economy is going to be destroyed. If you find this helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, hit the notification bell. Business Insider has put out an article entitled "Rich Dad, Poor Dad" author Robert Kiyosaki warns of an imminent market crash and says downturns are the best times to get rich. The point Robert's trying to make in the article is that on Friday, when the market crashed, it wasn't just the stock market. It was basically everything. It was housing, it was the stock market, gold, silver, Bitcoin. So everything was coming down on Friday, and therefore the crash is coming. He also had a tweet out that said that he predicted all of this was going to happen way back in 2013, that there was going to be a big bubble last year, and it came to pass, and that there was going to be an imminent market crash, which is going to happen this year. And so that's the point of the article. And he does give good financial advice in saying that the crash is the best time to load up on assets. And he gives the example of the 2008 financial crisis, as he always does, of how he took out millions of dollars to buy assets during that time when they were at market bottom. And that is great advice. But the thing is that just because he said that in 2013 doesn't mean that he foresaw this coming at this time. Those of you who know Robert Kiyosaki know that he is always a bit of a doomsdayer. It's like every year there's going to be a market crash. Every year the dollar's going to nothing. It's going to be worthless paper. Every year, you know, it's going to be the market crash to end all market crashes. And if you say it enough times, then eventually you're going to be right. It would be no different than if every day I got on YouTube and said, you know what, the market is going to be at all-time highs. I can see it coming. It's going to be the best market that there's ever been, and it's just going to blow out the highs that we had in 2021 way out of the water. It's going to be the highest that it's ever been. So just keep investing in the market, because eventually it's going to get there. So just keep throwing money in there, and it's going to get higher and higher and higher and higher. And then when that day comes, I say, hey, I predicted that. I'm a genius. I'm a financial wizard. I should write a book and publish that and share that with the world, because I got my prediction right about the market being at all-time highs. The key thing here is just take what is good from these influencers, take what's good from these financial people, and throw away the garbage. I mean, anybody who thinks that they have some sort of foresight and vision and wisdom into how things are going to be with certainty, just ignore that, because nobody truly knows. Nobody has like a crystal ball, and eventually if you make the same call every day for years and years, eventually you're going to be right. So make your decisions based on information that you gather, and then analyze it. Like for me, we're told that the housing market is just in turmoil, but I'm getting deals on different pieces of real estate. I'm getting a townhouse development I've got under contract. I'm looking at getting some other pieces of real estate under contract. So there are deals to be found even in these types of markets. And I sold one of my rental properties that I was ready to get rid of above asking price just last month in July, when everybody was saying housing prices are going down. So it just all depends on what you can analyze and what you can figure out from the market. So take these type of articles and things with a grain of salt. Don't let these kind of people prevent you from jumping into the market, and likewise don't take the advice of other people to make you want to get into the market. You need to analyze your situation, take the information that you can get from these folks. That's good information, like buying at market bottoms or near market bottoms is obviously good advice, and generally that's what I try to do myself. But as far as these people having these predictive abilities, they don't. And nobody does, and they can look back and say I was right, and then in 6 months they look back and say, well, I might not have been right here, but I'm right now. And then 6 months from now they'll do the same thing. So be cautious, make sure you're educated, you're not just throwing things in or taking things out just based on what people are telling you. Certainly not on social media. Hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, hit the notification bell, and until next time, stay tuned.